Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, May 4th, 2021. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we have ham croissant. For lunch we have chicken sandwich. We have no birthdays today, but we missed one yesterday. Sterling Jones' birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday, Sterling. Announcements. A reminder about the yearbook. Put the yearbook order forms and money in your manila envelope and place them in your snack bags. Miss Smith will get them out, receipt them, and pass them out as soon as we get more yearbooks. Late duty this week. Today is Miss Hogan. Tomorrow is Miss Granger. Thursday is Miss Peralta. And Friday is Miss Moore. We are working on our iReady diagnostic this week. So if you have any questions about that, ask Miss Mullen or Miss Gibbs. This week is also Teacher Appreciation Week, so teachers are feeling very appreciated and lots of exciting things going on. May 5th, we have Candace Tracy here for some PD. May 6th is Nurse Appreciation Day. May 10th, we have a faculty meeting. May 25th are our 5th grade transition programs. May 25th are also our end of the year celebrations. May 26th is the last day for students, and May 28th is the last day for teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.